Alright, Achy Dad here, Caleb Clark. I just got my Canon G7X back from Canon's factory repair where they, apparently my lens shutter was broke for some reason and they don't repair these G7Xs, they just replace them. So I'm going to unbox it and then I'm going to put it on eBay, I think, and to mint condition, never used, reconditioned, and maybe try to get a G9X because I have to go down a little bit in size. But this G7 is an amazing camera. Here we go. Forgive the rushed video production, but you know, I got little kids and don't have much time. So the Canon box from the factory is right here. And let's see what we got. Oh, they put it in a Vaxia box? That's interesting. Well, I hope it isn't a Vaxia. Let's see. I love doing stuff live on video with unboxing. If the box is sealed like this one is, you haven't really figured out what's going on. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. Let's see. New charger. Strap. Charger. Battery. I'm going to leave this all sealed because, as I said, I'm going to put this, I think, on eBay. Camera in the bag. Yep, that's a reconditioned one. Not the one I sent in. I can tell mine had a little scratches and this one looks amazing. Nice heavy metal construction, which I like. The Sonys are awesome, as you know, the RX 100, 100, whatever, 300. Canon is also a 1-inch chip, but it is a little heavier and I like that. This doesn't swivel back, but it does swivel up. This looks great. Alright, let's turn it on and see how it works. These are the most riveting parts of the video, really, where you probably wish there was an editor, but at least we're keeping it real time here. No. Wow, new battery. I have about 4 of these batteries and a card that'll come with it. Nice. Glass looks great. It's definitely a reconditioned one. This is a beauty. Alright, well, go to achydad.com to look at this, or eBay. I'll post a link on this video. And I won't even use it before I sell it. Put it back. Could be yours. Alright. I hope that autofocus wasn't too bad. I hate it when people do that, but as I said, I've got 88,000 things going. There we go. Ooh, that's terrible lighting. Alright, Achy Dad signing off. Wonderful camera. Stay safe out there.